There's a debate happening in the CAM world right now. Some people say that CAM Assist is just feature-based machining with a new name. But the truth is, these two methods of programming are very different. While feature-based machining recognizes features, CAM Assist analyzes the entire part and creates a new machining strategy. Feature-based machining has been around for a long time, and in the right environment, it works really well. It recognizes geometry, holes, pockets, slots, and applies predefined rules. But those rules have to be built, tuned, and maintained over time. Someone has to build the rule libraries, tune the operations, and maintain them as tooling and strategies evolve. Feature-based machining also works best when the geometry is repeatable. As you run similar parts, the system becomes more efficient because it recognizes those features. That works well, but only when the geometry stays consistent. Most shops today have to deal with high mix and constant variation. New parts, new materials, new strategies, and constantly having to stay one step ahead of the game. As things keep changing, maintaining new rule libraries becomes more difficult. That's where our new approach starts to matter. CAM Assist works differently. Instead of asking, what is this feature, it asks, what is the best way to machine this part? It then evaluates the full model and builds a machining strategy where everything works together. Feature-based requires upfront time to build and tune rule-based libraries. That only makes sense when parts repeat. CAM Assist works directly with your tool library. The value shows up immediately, even on the first part. CAM Assist is powerful, but we have to remember that this isn't about replacing programmers. It's about reducing repetitive work so CNC programmers can focus on higher value decisions. So to wrap it up, feature-based machining is built on repeatability. CAM Assist is built on variability, and variability is what most modern machine shops are dealing with, which is why it's critical to understand the difference between what these two systems have to offer. And that's how modern machine shops stay agile and competitive.